What's going on, friends?
Oh my God!
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me I'm a bad
Oh yeah.
What's going on, guys? We are super excited about today's video. Frenco finally has a shop. It's something we've had to keep under wraps for a little while now, but we're gonna go ahead and roll the footage from the very first time we walked through this place right now. What's going on, friends? Seriously cannot believe I'm making this video today, but we're doing it. We are going to look at Frenco's very first garage. So as you've seen in our videos, we're always working on stuff at my house, Nick's house, Jacob's house. That's how we've always done it. You just kind of get it in where you can fit it in, you know, but we really want to be able to put out a little bit better content, to be able to focus on doing more consistent projects, bigger projects, and we need a space to be able to like just really focus on that. As you can tell, none of us have enough garage space, and our projects take a while sometimes. So we figure, why not check it out? So we're gonna go look at a former auto shop here in Springfield and see what it's all about. They're including tools with the sale, some lifts and equipment, some tire changing stuff, stuff that we would probably never go out and buy new, but to be able to buy it in a bulk package deal is kind of appealing. So we're gonna go take a look. Who knows if it'll work out, but you gotta check it out to see. So that's what we're headed to do. Come on, let's check it out.
So that's off limits. Yeah.
Fire right up.
What color?
John's like, don't get too excited about that. John knows it was a random park situation. So we're basically just walking through the shop for the first time as it is ours now. The last couple of times we've walked through it, it's had some of the previous owner's stuff still in it. So we just are finally getting to walk through it as ours and just kind of dig through all the crap and see what it is. So it's super exciting. You can probably hear the guys talking about whatever the crap they found back there in the background is. But we're stoked. So we're going through everything. We finally pulled this off, so it was a huge effort, but we're stoked. We're moving in, so looking forward to a moving in day soon. Let's try to find these other light switches so we have the best filming.
Check out this old shot. And it's got a turbo. That's a
Look at this thing.
You know what that is? Free real estate.
That's a turbo, baby. I think that's
Somebody needs to get down in it for scale.
Dude, yeah, in that sucker, you can get down.
Whatever. You're the strongest man in the world.
What do you guys get down? Yeah, when it comes to picking one of the smaller areas. Oh, it's freaking like
Dude.
5.
Yeah, it's every bit of 5 foot deep.
I'm 7 foot tall.
Ooh.
today. All right.
Oh my god! That was my power washer!
I just want to make sure that when we're done sorting wrenches, we're done sorting wrenches. You know what I mean? I'm gonna keep doing what I'm good at, just cleaning the bathroom. Believe it or not, this looks and smells infinitely better than I did about an hour and a half. There's a toilet brush in here, which I thought was kind of funny. Remember the buster, dude. That's awesome.
2 of them.
Me too.
Now that you've seen what the shop looked like before, we're gonna take you on a tour of what this place looked like after day one.
Let's go on a tour, Jake.
Let's show you around. So the dyno room is still completely the same. We haven't done a single thing in here.
Nice work, dude.
Thanks, it was tough.
All right, so first things first, over here in the tire changing area, we have this outlet conveniently located right by these two machines that require power. Unfortunately, this outlet was not working when we got the building. So the power on this side of the building, not the best. All right, so this linoleum floor was absolutely disgusting, as was every single thing in this building. But got on my hands and knees with the steamer, Simple Green, steamed this floor. It's actually pretty clean. Smells good in here. I mean, total 180.
Way better than it was.
Oh my God. These are all my chairs.
Do a little bathroom tour. Not only is this bathroom working, but it is as clean as it's gonna get without replacing things.
I'm owed a medal for this.
You'll
I put in serious elbow grease to get that sucker clean.
check out the shorts.
These are just a few of my fans. So when we inherited this place, all of these tools were just randomly thrown. Rubbermaid tubs.
Even this guy.
And so we're trying to find a place for all of it. It's tough. That little guy, you know, like you're trying to find the home. Where does that one little wrench go amongst its family? Its family's not here. So we're having a hard time, but we're getting it figured out.
Not very many matching sets. What we do have is all of that, and
that.
an empty drawer. 4 new lights in the fab area, very bright over here. We still need to do quite a bit of cleaning, but you can see this place is 100 times better than it was.
Looking great, dude. It's so much brighter over here, and we don't even have some of the ancillary lights on. So this is awesome. This will be plenty bright. And the absolute biggest pain of our ass of the day, this waste oil heater is sounds awesome in theory, right? An auto shop, waste oil, we're gonna have unlimited amount of it. To get this thing to fire has been a pain. So let us know in the comments what we're probably doing wrong if you're an HVAC specialist. But we are hoping to have this thing chooching soon because it's cold in here.
.4K, 30 frames per second, 2K.
Needs to go left a little bit. Will you put this on?
Yeah. I don't know if you can see anything. Is it recording? All right. To stop raining.
How's it going, Dad?
Not smooth.
Dinner time, Matt?
Yeah.